He's as sly as a fox. She's a social butterfly, always fluttering from one group to another. You're such a turtle, always hiding in your shell and avoiding social situations. He eats like a horse, no wonder he's always hungry. I've got a memory like an elephant, I never forget anything. She works like a bee, always busy with something. He's the black sheep of the family, always getting into trouble. Don't let the cat out of the bag. It's supposed to be a surprise. Stop being such a scaredy cat. It's just a little spider. He's the top dog in his company, everyone listens to what he says.